Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to handle exceptions in Selenium WebDriver. Exceptions are unexpected events that occur during test execution, like trying to interact with an element that isn't present. Properly handling these ensures your automated tests are robust and reliable, preventing abrupt stops. We'll cover why this is crucial for maintaining continuous integration and delivering consistent feedback on your application's quality, making your test suite much more resilient. Let's look at some common exceptions you'll encounter. NoSuchElementException is frequent, occurring when Selenium cannot find an element using your specified locator. TimeoutException arises if an operation, like waiting for an element, exceeds its allotted time, typically set in seconds. Another common one is StaleElementReferenceException, which means the element you're trying to interact with has been removed or re-rendered on the page, making your reference invalid. The try-except block is your primary tool for exception handling. You place the code that might throw an exception inside the try block. If an exception occurs, the program flow immediately jumps to the except block, where you can define how to handle that specific error, perhaps by logging it or taking a screenshot. The optional finally block always executes, ensuring resources are released or cleanup actions are performed, regardless of whether an exception occurred. Beyond basic try-except, consider advanced strategies. Explicit waits, like WebDriver wait with expected conditions, are vital for synchronizing with dynamic elements, preventing NoSuchElementException by waiting up to 10 seconds for an element to appear. You can also implement custom exception handlers for application-specific errors, providing more granular control. Furthermore, incorporating retry logic for actions that might fail due to transient issues, such as network delays, can significantly improve test stability and reduce flakiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.